Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. Sustainability and green engineering are critical aspects of modern engineering practices, focusing on creating solutions that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout a product's life cycle. We understand that every engineering drawing and model we create has the potential to influence the environmental impact of the final product. Therefore, we embed sustainable design principles into our work, guiding our clients towards more eco-friendly and resource-efficient solutions. Our approach is not just about compliance with environmental standards. It's about rethinking engineering processes to ensure they contribute positively to the environment. This commitment to sustainability reflects in the digital efficiency of our operations, where we minimize physical resource usage and reduce the carbon footprint associated with traditional engineering practices. By doing so, we're not just aiding in the creation of products, we're helping to shape a more sustainable future. Join us in embracing sustainable innovation, where each project is a step towards a healthier planet.